Just city, then I will open it. Come on. You want me guys? Then I will open it. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Dami kong viewers Sana dias kayo, no? Grab some gifts, guys. Huwag kayo mahiya. Nanginginig pa for today's video. RC na! Wait lang. Wait lang, guys. Sexy. Yeah. Just drop some, 1K for private. After drop, I end my life. And let's do private na. Waiting for your abin, nanginginig pa for today's video. Ang tagal nyo naman. Kaya na pa ako nag-i-int dito. This AK-47, hello. Gilbert JBH, hello. I wish you have a today's customer service. Huh? Ano size ka, Mote? Jem, nice to meet you, Jem. Can I be your friend? Help me to you na, guys. Chris 47, AK-47. Can you be my love? Chris AK-47. Can you be? Chris AK-47. Cause I want you to be spoiled. Cause I will spoil you. You want it? Yeah, I like that. Can you give me a Neon City? Then you will be my admin. Can you be? You will be my top one. Then I will spoil you. AK-47, can you? Cause I want Neon City. I will spoil you. Like this, baby. I will show you all. Just give me a Neon City after draft. Then I will spoil you. I will make you happy. Hello, dami viewers. Can you follow me back, babe? Thank you, baby. Come on. Do 500. Kiss me. Then I will squeeze it. United? Yung LED gods? Come on, yung LED gods. Paunahan na lang. Come on, guys. Can you do kiss me? Come on, RK-47. You want it? I like that. Come on. God. Oh, taga-Pilipinas ka pala, shoota. Sumubang sumaya. RC ka 2K, be. Pagka-drop mo, end agad ng live, then I will make you happy na. How about you, RK-47? I need to complete my quota. My baby, he needs milk. So you help me, guys. My baby, he needs milk. Okay? My baby, he needs milk. Choose me exchange for elbow strap down. Come on, you want it? How about you, RK-47? I'm waiting. Because I will spoil you, you know? I like that. Come on. I want Neon City, God. Can you drop some? How about you? Eka lang naman, lahat kayo mapapalo ba? Nakalimit nga ni... Okay, Doki. Nice to meet you, okay, Doki. Come on, God. I like that. United. Do 500. Come on. Then I will squeeze it. I will open. You want it? I will open. If you do 1K, God. Come on. Like that. Can you do 1K, God? Then I will open it. Come on, baby. Tignan mo, mamatay na cellphone ko. Ayaw pa mag-charge. Come on, do 1K. I like that. Then I will open it. Ano ba name mo sa TJ? LM Nap. Dami kasi nag-chat sa akin eh. Come on, baby. Do kiss me. Open what? My boobs. Angel what? You want it? I want... Kuya Uncle, you want to spoil? I want Neon City. Can you drop some Neon City? Then I will open it. Iba ata na name eh. Can you drop some Neon City? Then I will open it. God. Come on, you want it? Maybe next, maybe. God, come on, God. I want 1K. After drop and London is too private. You want it? God. Ibang TG binigay mo. Hindi ikaw kausap ko. I like that, God. Come on. Can you spoil? Hi, I like that, baby. Come on. Do 1K. Then I will spoil you so much. Come on, gods. I will open it. Just do 1K, babe. Then I will open it. Come on. Wait. Come on. I like that, daddy. Come on. Do 1K, babe. Then I will open it. Durog ako sa RC kagabi. Okay lang yan. I need to complete my quota for my baby. Ano ba, Gcash mo? Wala naman yan. Wala ka naman Diaz eh. Maawa ka naman, agad. Gawin mo ng 1K, then I will make you happy naman on Telegram. Baka naman, God. Ikaw na si God ng puso ko, eh. Where's my baby, God? Kahit Neon City lang, oh. Baka naman. I will make you happy naman. May Telegram ka ba? Ala, I love you so much, God. Sige lang, God, gawin mo ng 1K. I will make you happy naman. I like that, God. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Come on, baby. Ano yung natunog? Ano tumunog? Waiting kay God. Gawin niya 1K. Pagka-treat niya end agad ng live, then I will make you happy na. Bala kayo. Basta gawin niya 1K. Ala, I love you so much talaga. Sige lang, gawin mo ng 1K. Para I will make you happy na you, God. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Nanginginig pa. I like that, God. Come on, baby. 1K na. Ilan na lang ba? 65. 900 na lang. 1K na. And I will make you happy na. Come on. I'm waiting, God. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Ay na, binigay ko na Telegram ko para sa'yo. Come on, God! Oh, 900 pa. Ayan, baby ko, kailangan ng panggatas, Come on, 900 na lang. Then I will make you happy na. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Waiting, come on. Waiting. Come on, God. 1K na. Para I will make you. Baka mabanda naman ako dito, God. Lisa mo na. Come on, God. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Gani! Welcome back, Gani! Come on! Do 500, Gani! You will be mine in my heart if you do 100. Come on, Gani! Send more love. Come on. I want kiss me. O siya, kiss me na lang. Ano. God. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Tamo, nanginginig na nga ako. Waiting na lang sa magbabagsak. Ala. Gani, can you do kiss me? My baby, he needs milk. Can you help me? That's why I need to complete my quota for my baby, Gani. And I will spoil you, Gani. What? Just do kiss me. Can you drop some kiss me? And you will be my top one. Ingrid, nice to meet you, Ingrid. Can I be your friend? Ano na, God? Eat your breakfast now, God. Kain ka na, God. And ikaw din, si Ingrid. Sino ba to? Right? Eat your breakfast, Gani. Follow me. What you're doing now? Ayoko kasi, baka kasi maglabas kayo ng ano, kaya di ko kayo na-up. Hi, SDC Tinapay. Can I be your friend? You want me to spoil? Ano na, God? Nag-RC ka na ba, Gads? Waiting sa bagsak mo, Gads. Ay na, umabot tayo ng 800, ha? Inulat niyo ako, ha? Nag-super ako nagulat. Come on, Gani. I want kiss me. And God, come on, don't kiss me na. Malulobot na tao. Wait lang, punta lang ako sa vision ko. Ay, sana all may babe shop. Gusto tuloy kitang mag-RC ka, Gads. Lalong kikiligin tinggil ko niyan. Yeah. Gani, can you drop some, Neon City? After you drop I on my live, then let's do private on Bigo. Come on. Just drop some Neon City. Come on. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Come on, drop it now. Wait lang, LM na. Talaga ba, Pipe Branch, Eme? I-chat mo nga ako sa Telegram. Andyan nga sa may ID number. Come on, Gani. I want that. I'm waiting. Neon City. Just drop some Neon City. Magkano RC mo, God? I will make you happy then. Yeah. I'm waiting, gods. Neon City, ha? 1K, ha? Basta 1K. Pagka-drop nyo, and agad nga din. I will make you happy na. Ken, good morning, Ken. Come on, I'm waiting. Sino mauna sa inyo? Pagka-drop nyo, and agad ng live, then I will make you happy. Come on, Gani, gods. Waiting. Sino tag-1K kayo? Drop it, come on. Yeah, Gani, I read your message. But I didn't reply to you because I don't know. Bigo is they're not sending message. Ano na agad? Magbabagsak ba kayo? Dali na, antok na mi. Am I lag? Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. Sorry, babe. Just drop some 1K. After you drop, let's do private in Bigo. Burger, nice to meet you, Burger. Come on, drop the Neon City. 1K. After Drip I end my life, then I will make you happy. I will spoil you so much, Gani. I'm waiting. You will be my supporter always, Gani. I will make sure that you will make happy. Just wrap it now, then I will show you all. Come on, tell me if I'm ready. Because I'm ready to you. Come on, Gani, where is it? I'm waiting, babe. Where is it? Just drop some 1K. Neon City, Gani. I want Neon City. Unknown, good morning, unknown. Can I be your friend? Yeah, I'm sure. Come on. Yeah, mabango. Kasing bango ko. Come on, Gani. Just drop some, 1K. After drop I end my life, then I will make you happy. It's too private and Vigo. Waiting. I'm so ready. So horny, babe. Come on. Sim. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. Just drop, just drop Neon City. Where is it? Tell me if I'm ready. Nanggugulat ka ata? You speak Tagalog? Come on, Gani. I'm so horny. I'm waiting. Then let's do private. I'm waiting. John Gani. Where is it? Chiro. Guys, pag nag-drop si, Gani ng 1K and dagan ng live, then let's do private on Telegram. Guys, if, Gani, drop 1K now, after drop and live, then let's do private. I'm waiting, Gani. Where is it? Come on, do 1K. I like that, baby. Do 1K, then let's do private, Gani. Come on, so horny. Come on, do 1K, Gani. Then let's do private. So horny, babe. Come on. My baby, he needs milk, Gani. Drop 1K, babe. After drop I end my life, then let's do private. Come on. So horny. And I will visit to you like that, Gani. Come on, baby. Where is it? Are you joking me? Because I'm waiting. I'm not joking to you. I'm waiting, babe. Come on. Drop 1K now. After drop end live, then let's do private. Come on, Johnny. Do 1K, babe. Come on, baby. I like that. Do 1K. Hey, then let's do private after drop. Just do 1K, babe. Come on. Just do 1K. And gusto ko, pinapakinig ako. You're so kind. That's why I like you so much. Come on, Johnny. Do 1K. Come on, baby. Do 1K, Gani. Then after, drop this to private. Come on. Gani. Do 1K now. Come on, Gani. Where is it? Unknown, hello. I'm waiting, Gani. 1K. Or 2K is me. See my DM. Where's your DM? I can't see. On Telegram? Did you chat me on Telegram, Gani? What is your name on Telegram? Come on. Just do 1K, babe. Then after that, let's do private. What is your name on Telegram, Gani? You don't have? Okay, babe. Just drop some 1K now. After you drop, I end my life, then let's do private. I'm waiting. Come on. Aaron, good morning, Aaron. Come on, baby. Do 1K. Come on. I'm waiting. Where is it, Gani? You're too long. You, you wait me too long. I'm ready. So horny. Just drop some 1K. After you drop end live, then let's do private, babe. Drop some 2Ks me, okay? Hi, Jem. Dito lang sa puso mo. Oh, yeah, I like that. Come on, baby. Neon City 1K. Times 2. 2K, babe. I will make sure that you will enjoy. Gani, come on. Do 2K, babe. I will make sure that you will enjoy. Ikaw talaga. Oo nga. Come on, so horny, babe. Do 2K, Gani. You wait me too long. Come on, just do 2K. I like that, baby. OMG. There's only a 1.5. Come on. Times 3. Come on, baby. There's only a 2 kiss me. Then I will end my life. Then let's do private. Come on. I like that. Come on, baby. There's only a 2 kiss me. Then let's do private. So horny, Gani. Come on. Come on, baby. Do 2 kiss me. There's only a blast. 2 kiss me. So, yun guys, pagka-drop niya agad ng dalawang kiss me and agad ng live, then let's do private na. Come on, baby! There's only a, 2 kiss me. After, I'm waiting. Yeah. 2 kiss me. Babe? I'm waiting. Where is it? So horny, babe. Drop 2 kiss me now. There is that. Come on, waiting, Gani. Come on, baby. Drop 2 kiss me now. Times 2. Then after drop, let's do it. So horny, babe. Come on, baby. There's only have 2 kiss me. Last. Hingay mo, baby. Easy meet up na lang. My baby needs milk. So help me, Gani. Come on. Just 2 kiss me, babe. After drop and live, dun na to private na. Come on, Gani. Oh, OMG. Come on. Do 1K. After drop, let's do it. There's only have 1K. Come on, Gani. Come on. Do 2Ks me ulit. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting for kiss me. Do 1K. Then let's do it. So horny. Come on, Gani. Drop it now. You make me so horny. Come on, babe. Just drop 2Ks me. This is last. Do 1.5. There's only have 500. Yeah. Yeah. You will be my husband, Gani. You know what? Come on, baby. Do 1K. Gani. I like that, baby. Come on. Do 1K. There's on... Milagin. Come on. Oh, I like that. Come on. I love you so much, Gani. There's only have last. 500 again. Then I will end my love now. Then let's do private. Yeah, I like that, Gani. Come on, Gani. There's only have 500. Then let's do it. Come on. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Come on, Gani. This is last, baby. Okay, guys. This is last 500. Guys, after he dropped, I end my live. Then let's do private. Okay, Gani. Come on. I'm waiting. There's only a 500. So horny. Gani, I'm waiting. Nanginginig pa for today's video, Gani. Come on. You say 1K. I need 2K, babe. There's only how. Last 1K. Promise. This is last, baby. 500. Yeah. Strip. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. This is last. 500. Guys, bye-bye. Gani, drop kiss me now. After drop, I end my live. Then let's do private. Come on, Gani. Let's do it. Just drop kiss me now. So horny, babe. Come on. I like that, babe. Gani, this is last. I promise. I like that. Come on, baby. 500. Another last. Then let's do it. Come on. Come on, baby. I like that, Gani. Ilan na lang? Come on. There's only have, 500. Gani. Because I will spoil you so much, you know what? There's only have 500, babe. Come on, I'm waiting, Gani. Come on, Gani. Just drop kiss me now. Then I will end my live now. Then let's do private. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting so horny. You know what? Because my baby, he needs milk. I need to complete my quota for my baby. Yeah, one kiss, yeah. Come on, baby, so horny. Drop it. Then let's do it. Come on. I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm sure, babe. This is last. Two kiss me. This is last. You drop two kiss me. Okay? Then this is last. 500. Come on, baby. I'm waiting. So horny. Like that. Come on, baby. Drop it. Two kiss me. I will make sure that you will enjoy. Because you gave me a 2K. Come on. Yeah. Just 500. I'm waiting. Come on. Where is it? Two kiss me, babe. This is last to kiss me. After drop and live, then let's do private. You'll be my husband. You know what? Come on. I'm waiting, Gani. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Come on, Gani. Just two kiss me, babe. This is last. Oh, I like that. Come on. There's only have 900. Come on, babe. There's only have 900. Guys, there's only have 900. After drop and live, then let's do private. Come on. Do 2 stars, babe. I'm waiting. Cause my baby, he needs milk. Come on. There's only have 900, baby. I'm waiting. Come on, Gani. Just drop 900. Then let's do private. 900. Come on, baby. I'm waiting. I like that, Gani. There's only have 900. Then let's do it. Come on, baby. There's only have 900. Then let's do it. For RC, babe. Come on, I'm waiting. So horny, Gani. Just drop two kiss me again. Then let's do it. Come on, babe. I like that. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting for to kiss me. Because you're so kind and so handsome. Then I will make sure that I will spoil you. You know what? Come on, baby. So kiss me. This is last. Gani. Alam, dami ko na naman viewers. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting for to kiss me. Huminginig pa for today's video. Come on. To kiss me, Gani. Where is it? You make me too long. I'm ready. You know what? I'm ready. Come on. I'm ready, Gani. Where is it? Come on, Gani. I'm ready. This is last to kiss me. Come on, Gani. Kiss me item missing. Okay. Neon City. Neon City, Gani. This is last. Come on, babe. I'm ready. So horny. Neon City. Drop it now. Come on. So horny. Neon City, baby. Come on. I'm waiting. Neon City. Nanginginig pa po today's video. Miss Megan, hello. Come on, babe. I'm waiting for Neon City. Where is it, Gani? Come on. I'm waiting. Gani, where is it? Neon City 1K. After drop, let's do it. I'm waiting for Gani. Because he's my top one. I'm waiting, Gani. Come on, so horny. Where is it, Gani? 1K. You make me too long. I'm waiting for 1K. This is last, baby. I promise. Then it's too private. Come on, baby. Where is it? Honey. Butterfly, yeah. Wait. Yeah. Times 10 butterfly. Come on. Times 10 butterfly. Drop it. Come on, baby. I'm waiting. Gani. Oh, I like that. Come on, you're so kind. That's why I like it so much. What is that? Butterfly ba yun? I like that. Okay, we will start at 8:10 a.m. You're so kind, Gani. Guys, follow Gani. He's my spender. He's my love. Right? Right, baby? Right? Can you do 3K? Then I will spoil you all, Gani. Come on. Come on, Gani. Then we will start. Ah, can you do 3K? There's only have 1K. This is last. OMG, you're so kind. Do 3-star. Come on, Gani. Do 3-star. Then we will start at 8:15 a.m. Come on, you're so kind. That's why I like it so much. So drop some I thank you so much. Send more love. Come on. Can you do 100? Send more love. Come on, baby. Gani. There's only have 1K. Then we will start at 8:15. Come on, baby. I like that. You're so kind. That's why I like it so much. Just drop some, baby. Can you drop some? Yeah. Do 3K, baby. Then let's do it. After 820. Come on. Come on. Baby. Do 1K. Then let's do it. 2, 3 stars, babe. Come on. I need to complete my quota. Go. I like that, babe. Come on. Come on, Gani. Can you give me a supercar? Now, please, umupo ka. Gusto naman, nagtatagalog ka. Bakit di ka nagsasalita? Hihirapan tuloy ako. Baka naman makaranas ng supercar. Para kota na talaga ako. Let's do private na talaga, Gani. Diyos ko naman, nagtatagalog ka. Hindi mo sinabi. Hindi muna ako upo hanggat di ka pa nagbabagsak ng supercar. Para let's do private na. Dali. Baka naman. I want supercar. Makaranas man lang. Ano daw? What? Now, please. Umupo ka. Ow! I thought you speak Tagalog, Gani. Oh, I'm so sorry. Can you give me a, Superman? Superman gift, baby? Can you give me a Superman gift? Then we will start. Then we will start at 8:15. Come on, baby, Gani. I want Superman. Can you drop some? Sino pa yun yung nagsabi nun? I thought you speak Tagalog, Gani. I'm so sorry. I will make sure that you will enjoy, babe. Come on. I want Superman. This is last. I love you so much, Gani. I want Superman. Can you drop some Superman gift? 3K. Konti na lang, guys. 10K na lang kulang ko. Come on, reach my quota. Come on. Then I will spoil you so much. Come on, baby. Can you give me, 3K? I'm waiting, Gani. So bad. Then I will make you happy so much. Just drop some super Sagittarius. Yan, super Sagittarius. Gani. Come on. Can you, babe? Sagittarius? Because I will show you all. Just drop some Sagittarius now. I'm waiting you. Babe, I need to complete my quota. So, okay, you can drop some, 2K. This is last, babe. Super Sagittarius. Come on. Ay! Come on, baby. I like that. Come on. Come on. Just drop some gloves with dragon. Do 3K, babe. Come on. I like that. Come on, Gani. Come on. Just do 3K, babe. Then I will show you all. Come on. Gani. I want Glossy Dragon. Then let's do it. Come on. So horny. I'm waiting. Papagod na ako. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. Just do 3K, babe. There's only have 2K. Come on, I'm waiting. So horny. So horny like that. Come on, summer gift. Gani. I'm waiting for summer gift. Gani, come on. Just drop summer gift, baby. Then we will start at 8:20. Come on, nanginginig pa for today's video. Come on, baby. Do 3K. I'm waiting. Because I need to reach my quota for my baby. Come on, baby. So horny. Dario, hello. Burger, hello. You wait me too long. I'm waiting, baby. Just drop some summer gift. Come on. Summer gift. I'm waiting, Gani. Summer gift. And I will show you all. Babe. Come on, Gani. Tulog na lang ako, guys. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. I need summer gift, babe. Come on. I can see your message. This is last. 1, 2, 3. Just drop some, summer gift. Then I will end it. Then let's do private. Come on, babe. Gani. Come on. Just drop it. 1, 2, 3. I want summer gift. Come on. Gani. Come on, babe. I want summer gift. Come on, baby. I want summer gift. Just drop it, Gani. So horny. I'm waiting. Just do 3K, babe. So horny. I'm waiting for summer gift. Aaron, Starling. Tagal naman ni Gani. Iinit na ako kanina pa. We will start at 8:20. I promise. I promise, Gani. Just drop some, Just drop some summer gift. This is last. Hi, Lloyd. Good morning. Tamad na kasi ako, guys, eh. I'm waiting, Gani. Come on. Hi, James. Gani, where is it? Elena Pello. Wait lang, chat ko pala ako sa Telegram. I'm waiting. Come on. Do 3K. This is last. Gani, because you're so kind and you will be my husband. Nakikinig pa for today's video. Yeah, babe? Did you find summer gift? Did you find summer gift? I'm waiting, Gani. Nakikinig pa for today's video. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. Just drop summer gift now. Then we will start at 8:20. Ako pa mag-PM sa'yo eh. Sila nga nag-PPM sa akin eh. Dali-dali hanapin ang Telegram ko eh. Come on, Gani, I'm waiting. Hindi nga kita ma-chat. Ano? Sublados, mag-drop ka ba? Come on, I'm waiting. Where is it, Gani? I'm waiting. Kentoy! Good morning. How are you? I wish you have a good day. Ika muna nakikinig pa for today's video. Nagasan ka suplado? So about you, Ken? I'm waiting for summer gift. Then let's do it. Gani, okay? Summer gift, baby. Find summer gift. After you drop my end my life, then let's do private. My baby needs milk. Gani, okay? So drop summer gift now. Then let's do private. I promise. We will start at 8:20. Come on, so horny. You wait, you wait, you wait me too long, okay? Summer gift, baby. Summer 1299. I'm waiting, so horny. Just drop summer gift. I'm waiting, babe. Daking, nice to meet you, Daking. Ice, nice to meet you, Ice. Did you find it, Gani? Nakita mo na, telegram ko, suplados? Nakita mo na? May DMs ka ba? Come on, I'm waiting, Gani. Where is it? No 3K, babe. There's only a 1K. If you not drop summer gift, then I will not start. Okay? Because I need to complete my quota. Come on, Gani, do 3K. There's only have 900. Come on, baby. There's only have 900. Come on, there's only have 900. Then we will start. 900. Come on, Gani. There's only have 900, babe. Then we will start. I'm waiting, honey. Gani, come on. Just drop 2 kiss me again. Just drop 2 kiss me again. Come on, baby. I'm waiting. Or Cupid's Fountain. Come on, drop Cupid's Fountain. I'm waiting so horny, babe. Then after, then you will drop. Then after you drop, let's do it. Come on, baby. There's only have, 900. Gani, I'm so horny. Where is it? You make me too long. Come on, baby. Just drop, beast off. Beast off. Where is it, Gani? So horny, come on. Just drop some beast off, baby. Then we will start after the drop. I'm waiting so horny. Beast off, baby. Then let's do private. Come on. Where is it, Gani? Come on, baby. There's only last. Are you sleep? No, I'm not sleepy. Because I need to complete my quota. There's only have 1K, babe. Then let's do private. Come on, babe. I'm waiting. Drop 1K now. Then I will end. Let's do private. So horny, babe. Come on. I'm waiting, Gunny. Just drop 1K, babe. I'm waiting. So horny. Like that. Drop butterfly again. Come on, baby. Just drop butterfly again. Where is it? Come on. No, don't laugh, baby. I'm so horny. Come on, so horny. Yeah. Just drop butterfly again, baby. Come on. Let's do it. So horny, babe. Just drop 1K again, babe. I'm waiting. Gani. Then we will start at 8:30. Where is it, Gani? You wait me too long. Super too long. I'm so horny, you know? I'm waiting for for 1K. Gani, where is it? I'm waiting for 1K. Ano na, Gani? Waiting also 1K. Together po end agad ng live that I will make you happy na nanginginig pa for today's video. Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. Where is it? Come on, Gani. I'm waiting. Come on, Gani. Where is it? Just drop some 1K, babe. I'm waiting, you know? Gani! Ano na, Gani? Magdadrop ka pa ba? Hey, Gani, I'm waiting. Where is it? Babe, come on. Just drop 1K, then let's do it. I'm waiting. So horny, Gani. I'm still waiting for you. And where's the 1K? MMF Mayor, nice to meet you. Can I be your friend? Where's the 1K, babe? I have breakfast first. Okay, wait. Come on, babe. Just drop 1K now. Summer gift. Come on. I'm so horny. I'm waiting for for summer gift. What? Drop it now. Then let's do it. Come on. Where are you going? Come on. I'm ready. I just need summer gift. Come on, babe. Sortigani. Breakfast. Oh, you can drop, you can drop summer gift now.